Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to change the default view in File Explorer on Windows 11 easily. So let's get started. Firstly, go to File Explorer, open File Explorer. Now open any folder where you want to change the view. Like I want to change the view on downloads. Now at the top, click on View. Then I need the details view, so I will select the details. Here you can see the name, date modified, type, size, all things. Now click on three dots menu at the top, then select options. Now in folder options, go to view tab, then click on apply to folders. Click apply to folders. Now then click on yes. Here you will see, do you want all folder of this type of match folder view setting, then click on yes. Now this will apply the selected view to folder of the same type. For example, if I choose download folders, now we will see that document folder also see like that, name, status, date modified, type, size. It will apply to similar document folders. That's it. This is how you can change the default view in File Explorer on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.